Okay, let's do this. No, not another Callan deck. At least go second. Well, actually, is it better? Worse? I don't know. I would have thought second's better, but if you can get things flowing, you can just
better give it your all,
trap
because
everything
I sure
I'm doing,
am.
and it doesn't help.
That's
So
the only way
let's
to
just see what he
do
pulls
it.
off, and
For
we'll go
what
from there.
I've done in the past, I must
I do have a
pay
good hand, I'll say
terrible
that.
price. Duel. What does fate? I come out, Infernity Archfiend. I must. I end my turn. Now what
It's
will
my
you do?
turn. I draw. Come on. My
Okay,
monster's
so
effect activates.
survive the first turn. Essentially, he doesn't have like 8 synchro monsters in the field that can negate everything I'm doing, banish my cards,
I activate my counter
and my
trap.
life.
Infernity Barrier.
That should still count as 2. Oh, okay. It's fine. Let's use one of these
From
then.
my hand, I activate a quick play spell.
Okay, launcher is gone.
I'm setting the card.
Okay, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna bring out Indigo.
My monster's effect activates.
Yeah, I got a plan. The only thing I can't account for is if that face down is like Mirror Force or something. That's gonna just ruin my day.
Come on.
But that's why we play the game.
My monster's effect activates. Come on.
Anytime I beat an Infernity deck, I get more joy than I probably should, because having to sit through 85 thank you. I don't want to put up with waiting 85 minutes to go and then just have everything negated. So there's my revenge.